Dear students, in this video I will be starting chapter 4, that is linear equations. In two variables. In previous classes we have studied about linear equation in one variable. For example, 2x plus 5 equal to 0. This is example of linear equation in one variable. Here x is the variable and you know how to solve this. Transferring 2x equal to minus 5, x equal to minus 5 by 2. So linear equation has only one solution. Linear equation in one variable has only one solution. Similarly, you can have 3x plus 7 equal to 0, 2x plus 6 equal to 0. All these are examples of linear equation in one variable, and each of these will have only one solution. But to solve this will give you the solution as x equal to minus 7 by 3. Here you will get x equal to minus 3. But here you have to study about linear equation in two variables. So now see where we require all these types of equations. For example, suppose in a class test sum of marks of two students is 20, but you don't know actual marks of both the students. Suppose first student marks are x, second student marks are y, then it is given that sum of their marks is 20. So therefore, by given condition, x plus y equal to 20. This is an example of linear equation in two variables. X and y are two variables. X is variable, y is another variable. So this is the example of linear equation in two variables. And now we come to the general form of linear equation in two variables. An equation of the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is called linear equation in two variables x and y. Here a, b, c are real numbers. Here a and b both should not be zeros at the same time. Here a and b both should not be zero at the same time. So this is the definition of linear equation in two variable. An equation of the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is called linear equation in two variables x and y. Here a, b, c are real numbers, and a and b both should not be 0 at the same time. One of them can be 0. So now we come to some problems of exercise 4.1. Exercise 4.1. First question. First question is given. It is a word problem. The cost of a notebook. The cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Write a linear equation in two variables. To represent this statement. Here cost of notebook is twice the cost of a pen, and we have to write a linear equation in two variables to represent this statement. Now to solution. So suppose the variables, let cost of a notebook be rupees X and that cost of a pen be rupees Y. And now see the condition given in the question. Question says that cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. So notebook is equal to twice pen. Just changing the statement in this way. Notebook is twice the pen. Notebook is twice means multiplied by 2. So in place of notebook, write its cost price X is equal to twice means 2 times cost of pen is Y. This implies it is X equal to 2Y or X minus 2Y equal to 0. This is the required equation. So this way, this statement has been converted to a linear equation to variables. Now come to next question. Question number 2. Question number 2, we are given equations. Express the following linear equations in the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0 and indicate the values of A, B and C. First equation is given 2x plus 3y equal to 9.35 bar. So this equation is to be represented in this form ax plus by plus c equal to 0 and then find value of A, B and C. So note that right hand side is 0 here, so transfer this on left side. 2x plus 3y minus 9.35 bar equal to 0. So this is the equation, putting in the proper form, making right hand side equal to 0. And now we compare this equation with the standard equation ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So ax plus, comparing 1 with ax plus by plus c equal to 0. A is equal to, here you have to see coefficient of x, that is plus 2, b is coefficient of y plus 3, and c is constant term, that is term without x and y, minus 9.35 bar. In this way, first make right hand side 0, transfer this term on left side, then compare, find a, find b and find c. A is coefficient of x, b is coefficient of y, and c is the constant term. See the next part of this question, second part. Second part is x minus y upon 5 minus 10 equal to 0. Here already right hand side is given 0, so no need to change anything. So comparing 1 with the standard equation ax plus by plus c equal to 0. A is coefficient of x. Here no number written with x, but 1 can always be taken as, therefore a is equal to 1. B is equal to coefficient of y, here it is, here also you can take 1, minus 1 by 5. So b is minus 1 by 5 and c is the constant term, minus 10. So in this way, comparing coefficient of x, you will get a, coefficient of y will give you b, and constant term will give you c. Now take the third part of this question. Minus 2x plus 3y equal to 6. Here right hand side is not 0, so first transfer 6 on left side. You will get minus 2x plus 3y minus 6 equal to 0. And now do the same thing, comparing this equation 1 with ax plus by equal to c. Now compare this equation with the standard equation. Here coefficient of x is minus 2, coefficient of y is 3, constant term is minus 6. So these are the values of a, b and c for this question. So this way you can solve the remaining parts also, because they are very similar, but only compare with the standard form and find the values of a, b and c. That's all in this video.